Today marks the first day where masks are mandatory in all public spaces across the entire state of Nevada. Some local businesses, even nonprofits, telling us they're getting some pushback from community members, consumers, shoppers who aren't ready to wear their masks. I want to get over to Rebecca real quick and tell me some of that pushback that you've been receiving lately.
Sure, we're receiving comments where people are going to withdraw their support from shopping here, or they're not going to donate to us, or they think that this virus is a scam, so they don't want to be forced to wear a mask, so they can't enter our store.
And so talk about how this trickles down a line of, maybe an impact that folks don't even have any clue about. Like this impacts even the pup that you're holding right here.
Yes. Well, this store actually funds a good probably 80% of the medical that we need to take care of these dogs. Life-saving surgeries all the way down to spay and neuters.
And so give us a few examples of what you have been experiencing on social media from shoppers.
People saying we don't need their money because they're not going to shop here. They dislike Sisilac, and they don't think that I should be enforcing the mask, so they're not going to come here because of that. And it has nothing to do with politics. It has everything to do with these little guys.
All right, and moving forward away from masks, tell us and tell shoppers, in a place like this, a thrift store where so many secondhand items are going back into other homes, just break down how people can feel safe and secure when they're bringing this stuff home.
Yes, well, first of all, we ask all our donors to make sure that they bring things that have been sanitized or cleaned if possible. If not, they donate the items outside. We let them sit outside for a couple hours in the sun and heat. And then we have an array of cleaning products that we use, everything from ultraviolet lights down to disinfectant wipes, hand sanitizer sprays, cleaners.
Now, it's important to remember that this is a governor mandate, meaning that this is not a decision that the business owners, business managers, really anyone who works inside of a business is enforcing on their own. And it's amazing to think that by not wearing a mask, not supporting local businesses, you could be hurting even the cutest little pups on the creature like this here, little Jack. I'll go ahead and send it back to you in the studio.